my name is Shiva. This is my new mini project, Insta which is a clone of Instagram. So let's look at into project. Uh, Here in this project, firstly we have a login page. Uh, Here username and password contain this login page. When user gives an invalid credentials like or username or password, then this will give an error message. So let's look at into this. Firstly, I have a username Rahul. I enter this Rahul, and the password is Rahul at the rate 2021. So when I want to check this password, then simply uh, click on this checkbox. I will see this password, right? So this is my correct username and password. But I want to miss anything in this username or password, it will show an error message. So if I am entered, I will remove the shell and then click on this login button. It will give an error message like invalid username. See this? So okay, if I am enter a correct username and password, then I will click on this login button. Then it will located into home page, right? So see this. This is my new home page. Okay. So in this home page, we have uh, so many things, and I have used so many functionalities here. So firstly, we have this logo button and Insta share uh, button, and is the search bar and home profile and logout buttons here. So these are the stories. The different number of users are sharing on the app, and these are the posts which also published by different users. So first we will see one by one. So this is a user's profile pic, and this is a post which is a profile pic of a user. I have used CSS properties with add this background, and this is, which is the username, and this is the post or pic published by user, and these are the buttons like, comment, share buttons we have seen in different applications, right? So which is the count of likes and the number of users give comments on this post, and which this is the time when he shared this post. Uh, so these are different number of posts published by different number of users. So when we click on this particular username, it will shows user information. So like this, which is the profile picture of the user, and this is the name, and which is the user ID, and this is the number of posts and number of followers she had, and number of following, and which is the bio of him, and this is the number of stories he have shared in this application, and the number of posts he have shared in the application, right? Which is contain user information on this user profile. Okay. Now when we go to the home page, then simply click on this logo button or on this home name, right? So when I click on this logo button, it will navigate into home page. So again we came into home page in this application right now, right? So if I want to check my profile, I simply click on this profile button. So when I click on this profile, uh, it will show my profile. So my name is Rahul, and the number of posts I have shared in this. I have number of follow 2,900 followers in this application. So like this, and the number of posts and stories I have shared in this application, right? So which is about my information. So okay, it is all right. So then simply go, when we go on home page, then simply click on this home route, uh, home logo. So now we want to see a particular thing on this application, which search bar helps us, right? When I want to see a rainbow image, or a post contains rainbow, then simply I enter rainbow here and click on this icon. Then so that's why uh, I have these results, such results, right? When uh, enter when I want to see his information, then click on this name. It will show his first user information, uh, right? So when we click on this logo, so it's fine. Okay. Now coming into this like button, when this post is I like this post. When I want to give him a feedback, or I want to like this post, then simply click on this like button. It will turn into red color, see, and the number of posts also increased by one. So, uh, so fine, right? So I have added some more. I had add some functionality like share button. When you click on the share button, uh, it will open different application. uh, I want to send this post by friends or in any social platform. If I want to share this post in LinkedIn, so when I I'll enter, I click on this LinkedIn icon, it will open LinkedIn page. So here I want to, if I want to share this post in anything here, if I can, okay, that's fine, right? So now come back into the home route. So which is a home route? When we clear this, it will open this home route, right? Now coming into this project, I'm using component lifecycle methods, routing concepts, and authentications and authorization, and adding responsiveness to this website, and adding a number of third-party packages using Node Package Manager. So responsive means, so we are seeing now in desktop version, right? So I have to show uh, in mobile version, right? Now, so, so which is the mobile version? So all things are similar to this desktop version, but the difference is we have this hamburger menu. When we click on this hamburger menu, uh, a container will open. It includes home, profile, and search and logout button, and also it contains a cancel button. Right? This home and profile buttons we are seeing in desktop version, but the search button is different. When we click on this search button, the search bar will appear here. Means in desktop version, we close this. When we want to close the search bar, then simply click on this search button again. So it will close. Now, right? Uh, when we click on this cancel button, the hamburger menu also closed, right? So this is the mobile version. Uh, the functionality of when we click on this name, the user information also visible here, and when we click on profile, our profile information is visible here. So when we want to quit this quit this application, simply click on this login button, and it will navigate into this login form. So this is about my project, and I have to show my project code. Yeah? This is my project code, and here the number of components here, header, home, login form, my information, and so many components are I have used in for this application.